Hello there guys, hope you are doing well. Greetings from Portugal, Nuno here. Thank you so much for stopping by. And this, as you can see, this video, as you can see in the topic, is how to use your iPhone or phone as a webcam. Okay, not only iPhone, but you can use it only on Android. It's a simple app. In this case, we are going to use this phone as a wireless webcam, and you will see the latency and everything. But since we are living right now a difficult situation because of COVID, and if you want to make videos for YouTube and you don't like your camera but you have a phone, okay, in my case I have a FaceTime camera on my cinema display from Apple, and I also have a C920 from Logitech, but I don't like the camera. And the further videos that I will make is how to connect your camera, in this my case is a Panasonic Lumix G80, directly to your Mac in order for you to record your videos, okay, and stream, and also connect to Zoom or Teams or Skype. Okay, so expect further videos because I already ordered that kind of products in order for you to see. So, but in this case, let's not spend any money and use what we have. The application is free for the iPhone, okay, and also for the Mac, and on Windows I believe it is also, okay. So let's go ahead then, without further ado and without further rambling. Very well guys, so first let's start with the basics. As you can see, you are already seeing my phone mirrored on this screencast, and I already have it here installed in my photos and video folder. It's called Iriun Webcam, but just for the sake of it, let's go to the App Store, and then you will type Iriun with an N webcam for PC and Mac. It is the first one. You can go click it, and it is this one. Okay, you just go ahead, download. It's free, okay, for Android and also for iPhone. No charges, okay, and you just download it and it's ready to go. Okay, now let's go here to what you have to download. It is a server for your PC or Mac or even Linux. You just type again Iriun. It's Iriun. Okay, Iriun webcam server, and on this page you'll see it is a webcam for Windows, for PC, for Mac, and also for Linux. Okay, you just go ahead and download the server for the operating system that you are using now. And then in my case I'm using a Mac. It is already here, the Iriun, and if I go to my phone, once again I will open the application and it will connect, okay, and it is Wi-Fi, and it's over here. But now let's go to the application that I use for these recordings and also for the streaming. Okay, this is what we are talking about, streaming in OBS, an open broadcast service or server. I don't know, it is free, but if you want to know more about that, there are plenty of videos about OBS. I'll just go through the basics. Okay, now let's minimize this and go to OBS. Let's go to OBS over here, or I don't know if it is called Open Broadcast Software. Now you are seeing me through the Logitech, okay, and what I want to do is go and add here a new video capture device, and I call this test. Okay, test. Okay, and then I will pick my Iriun webcam over here. Okay, I'll pick it and I'll put it to high. This is 1080p high, and okay. Now as you can see, you're already seeing me, and on the left you are seeing my phone. Okay, this is an advantage if you want to show something, and on my right is my Logitech webcam. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm with the finger over here. Now let's go ahead and make a transition. Now you are seeing the the my phone, okay, and now I'll change the camera to the backwards camera. And the advantage of this, as you can see, is that you can move around. You can have it in a tripod, of course, but it is an advantage if you want to show something, on your desk or whatever. Okay, just just a scenario on a situation that you can use this application. Let's go ahead, turn again the camera. Okay, guys, this is, I think, for me, if you have an awful webcam, this is not bad at all. Okay, this is not bad at all. It is a very good camera. So of course I'm out of sync now, because I'm not recording, and there are a little bit of mess around here on OBS. But again, go and search for OBS Studio, okay, on YouTube, and there are plenty of videos with tutorials on how you can put your best settings for this to work. Guys, for now this is all. I hope you like it. I hope it's useful on this times that we are living. And stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.